Yes. Today we will look at how we can solve this factorization method of quadratic equation. When we have equation like this, 3x squared minus 13x, then minus 10 equals to 0. This is the equation we want to solve. 3x squared minus 13x minus 10 equals to 0. The first thing we'll do is to use this minus 3x squared to times the minus 10. You will arrive at minus 30x squared. Then you will now look for two numbers such that when you multiply them, you will get 30. Then when you add or subtract, you will get minus 13. Let us try. Of course, you may want to try 5x times 6. It will be 30, but when you say 5 plus 6 is 11, you're supposed to get this number at the middle, which is minus 13. So the only way you can get that is to say, let's try 10x times 3x. If we try that, we will arrive at 10x times 3x will give us 30x squared. But to get this, if we put minus here, minus 10x, and we put minus 3 here, then when we say minus 10 minus 3, it will give us minus 13x, which has satisfied the middle coefficient of x. But if you say minus times minus, it will give you plus. 10 times 3 is 30, x times x squared, it will give you plus 30x squared, which means that this is wrong. So let us look for another number. Let's try 15x multiplied by 2x. When we do that, we will arrive at 30x squared. Then to get minus 13, we can say that the big number carry minus, the small number carry plus. So that we have minus 15x times plus 2x. Then of course, minus times plus will give you minus. 15 times 2 will give you 30, then x times x squared. So this satisfies the equation. So this one we replace what is in the middle. Then what do we now have? The equation, you start with this. So you now have 3x squared minus 15x. Then we have plus 2x minus 10 equals to 0. So what do we have? What is common? 3 is common here, 3x. So we have 3x into bracket x minus 5. What is common here? Plus 2 into bracket x. 2 will go in 10, that is minus 5. Of course, at this junction, you will know whether your answer is correct or not, because what is inside the two brackets must be the same. Once they are not the same, you have to cancel it and start afresh. So connect the two numbers on the sides of the brackets together. So we have 3x plus 2. Then take one of the two brackets because they are the same, x minus 5. So you can now introduce your either. Either, you now come here and say either 3x plus 2 is equals to 0, or x minus 5 is equals to 0. So 3x is equals to minus 2, or x equals to 5. Are we there? So we can say that divide both side by 3 here. So x equals to minus 2 over 3, or x equals to 5. Final answer. So your answer is x equals to minus 2 over 3, or x equals to what? To 5. That is where we'll stop. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Thank you.